We will be making bhel today, and this bhel with us a twist. It is Maggi Bhel. So you would love making it. It's very easy, very simple, and children and everyone you know love to have Maggi. So come on, let's go for it. I'm adding some oil, a teaspoon or so, to the kadai. And this is one pack of Maggi noodles that has been crushed. We'll roast it slightly for 10 minutes or so till it browns up a little. See, it has started changing color. It is browning a little. Just 1-2 minutes more. It's brown. I'll remove it from the karai and put it into a plate to cool down. Now this will make the plate. Now I'll mix this Maggi Masala powder that we get in a pouch in the packet with some tomato sauce. And we'll stir it nicely. This we have to add to the bhel, which will give it a nice taste. That's it. Now I'll mix this, all the ingredients for the bhel into the bowl. This is the Maggi that I had roasted. Now I'll add this paste that I made. Now I'll add this bhel mix to it. Goes some chopped onion, finely chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, I have boiled chopped potatoes. Now I'll add this red chili powder. Now some chaat masala, some pudina chutney, here goes some imli chutney, this is some save, nylon save, coriander, lime water. Now I'll mix all these ingredients. It's looking so tempting. I'll add some salt. You can add according to your taste. That's it. Finally, the bhel is ready to serve.